Okay, hey guys, today we're playing Arsenal again, so yeah. And I have the slime gun. I hate the slime gun, but kind of kind of been pro here in the slime gun thingy. Actually, it's much easier if it is slime gun because I can see better with the slime thingy. Oh man, I have the sniper, so let's go up. So let's kill somebody. Oh, he got me. Dang. Oh, perfect. Oh man, I have to reload. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got lucky. What do you call it? When I got so many kills after by another, I got the golden knife and I won and I got first place. So yeah, I'm not like bad luck. I only have bad luck if my friends are here vlogging. So yeah, it's kind of peaceful now. Oh man. Okay, I have 15 kills. Yeah, I know. Cause I got AFK because I have to open my my screen recorder. So yeah, that's how. Oh my! Yeah, that's how I got. This is how I get scared. No, the golden knife. Dang. Oh, okay. I am 6th or 7th place. Yeah, 8th. I'm sorry. Whoops. So yeah. And I don't know how to use a webcam because I have a new webcam and I don't really know how to use it. But, well, ints. So I'll always be blue team. I no, yes, please, no, please. Oh no, yay! Oh, yeah, I use sniper all the time. If like only like close-ups, close-ups. I was the only one there. How would I do that? Okay, if I can hear something, a fan, sorry if the fan is very noisy, cause I really need fan, cause outside this is actually my setup is outside in the living room, not in my room, cause it's very spacious there. Really don't know why. Now the red team and I died. Dang, you good red team, but I am never gonna go to blue red team ever again. Ever, don't judge a book by its cover. I only have one left. See, I only have one heart left. I really didn't. One, oh, yeah, whatever. You know that. Why? I don't know. Why am I shouting? It's just like very frick. Finally, assault rifle. Oh no, another sniper! Why? I hate snipers. Oh. just did it without me. Dang, another sniper. How many snipers should I get in the video? Comment comment down below how many snipers you see in this video. Great. Like literally, it's very hard. No, I lagged. Sorry, I'm sorry. I lagged. Oh, goodness gracious. Should I get the sniper? Should I give up? I should. Another sniper, really? Oh, that's a headshot. Nice headshot right there, mate. Literally, I always die in front of the assassins. The assassins, really? Goodness gracioso. He died. I was trying to close up the Persian. Another sniper Vigor. Why? I'm in the spawner thingy. So Bea and Jade are not gonna play until like my mom let me play like 9 o'clock. She's a good mom. Kind of. Oh my! There's a thingy in the back. Okay. I didn't get a shot. Oh my goodness! This is a heavy gun right there. Why? I don't like this anymore. And my account's gonna be deleted in 29 days, like in YouTube and Google Chrome. I don't know why. And I don't know what's gonna happen, because in my phone, in my computer, my PC, everything that I signed in Chrome or Google or like YouTube, it's gonna ban. I don't know why. Because it says my age are different, because I have my real age is 2010, but I put my fake birth, like pretend that I'm like 2000, and like that's how I got my account's gonna be deleted. My account's gonna be deleted 29 days, and my mom said that's the January. I don't know. I think it's like December 25. And I got killed again. Oh, I'm 5th place. Well, better luck next time. I cannot even dance. Oh. Let's go to a street corner. No one is picking the street. Oh, thank you, agency. That's my favorite. That's why. But like, no one is voting that, or I just picked the canals, the street corners, or yeah. Okay, I don't want to like change anything because why not? Oh no, rhinoceros. Here we come. We're just gonna wait. Someone to go here. Oh, okay. Wait. Like, if I have a webcam, I'll like seriously. My face is very serious. Dang it! I'm not gonna say curse words because I'm still a baby. I'm joking. I'm not really a baby, but like in camera, I don't really say curse words. But oh, there's someone here. I only have 5 health. Okay. Dang. I hate this. Like the shotgun is very hard to aim because I only use the assault rifle and stuff, and like only like the fast stuff. What the heck is he doing? The heck? Are you like dumb? I kept following you for the past 1 minute. Why? This always happened to me, but I never have a jump scare in my life. So, it's like so embarrassing. And yeah, I like scary stuffs, but not like very scary, like real life, not like, you know, I only cartoons, like, I don't know. It's just my oh my goodness. I killed him. So that's good. I only have 6 kills, really. A sniper. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. My goodness gracious. Oh, I have a minigun. Whoops. Didn't mean to have a minigun. I very have a close up. Oh, I had headshots. It's one day or another. Okay, let's go again. My, how can I resist ya? Oh my goodness. It's one day or another. No! It's very embarrassing. For the pro ones. Hindi pa tayo natatapos dito. Bahala ka na nga sa buhay mo. Oh my gosh. Still in the same area. I'm just gonna skirt and go there. Why? Why are there so many? I don't get it. Like, are we gonna be stuck here in the same area? I died. Goodness, how can I go to my favorite area? Oh. Oh, it's finished. I'm in 5th place. Yeah. Oh, Dizzy. I like Dizzy. See, I told ya. There's so many persons, people. What the heck are you dancing? Okay, let's go. Switcheroos, shall we? Oh my goodness, can't even see. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. 어떡해. 뭐예요? Why do I have a golden revolver? It's ugly. Okay, good. Oh my gosh. I got scared! Goodness. Okay, we both died. Good. Yeah, good. Mateys. Oh well, who cares? When I try to vlog, I always get like, why? Good thing is, boy. Thought I still lagged. Oh well. And thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay awesome, and see you next time. Bye guys!